In my last video, we built a Discord bot, but we didn't add any functionality. So in this video, we're going to turn it into an economy and mini-games bot, just like Dank memer. Before we begin, make sure you already have a bot created. If you don't, there's a quick tutorial in the description. Go watch that first, then come back here. Alright, once you have your bot ready, go to the left menu, scroll down, and click on Economy and Minigames. Enable it, and now let's set everything up step by step. First, go ahead and set the bank interest to 0, and change the cooldown to 1. Next, turn on Enable Job Editing. This will allow you to see all the default jobs. You can edit them or even create your own if you want. Below that, you'll find the items users can purchase. We're just going to leave those as default for now. Now let's talk about economy roles. This is where you can reward users with roles based on how much money they earn. Before we set anything here, we need to create roles in our Discord server. To do that, go to your server settings. Then click on Roles. Click Create Role. Choose a name. Set a color, and if you want, customize permissions. And that's it. Your role is ready. And then add more roles. Once you've done that, go back and add them in the Economy Roles section. Set the amount users need to reach, for example, 100, and select the role you want to give. Repeat this for more roles if you like. And finally, let's create a basic command. Click on Add Command, then choose Send or Edit a Message. Connect it to a / command. Then click on the / command block and set the trigger. This is what users will type, and add a description. After that, go to the message block, open the message builder, and design your response however you like. Once you're done, save everything, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helps you, make sure to subscribe and check out my other tutorials.